May 19 to 2023, we were here at Casa J, and there's our name on it. A year later, we are back. Nanababa ko Balen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, for today's video, we are back dito po sa Casa J. This is located sa may Balibago, Angeles City. It's nice to be back. Look at the place. Samahan niyo po kami sa video na to. Let's go! Inside the property, meron po tayong professional size billiards table, ping pong table, poker table, a movie room. Tawag nila dito, it's a Casa J Theater. So look at this. Ganyan sa kalaki, guys. Movies are controlled in the desktop. Ito siya. There's the theater room.
I like the little cloud.
In the cloud?
Yeah.
What? So, guys, si Casa J pala is Alexa-powered house. So you can ask Alexa to do specific things. Say, for example, Alexa, play a funky song.
Alexa, play popping song.
Dito naman tayo sa kanilang kitchen. So, the design, the feel is actually modern. Yeah, so we have a center table here. And then dito yung ating stove. We have a microwave oven. The indoor dining tables here. Yeah, they can accommodate up until 6. And then going at the back, nandito naman yung ating laundry area and our refrigerator. So tingnan natin kung may naman. There. Hi, Mom. So, let's check out the rooms. So, dito po sa baba, meron tayong tatlong rooms. First room is over here. And then the other room is here. So, unahin natin yung room number 1. Oh, it's cold already. Yeah. At ayun, guys. So, one of the upgrades na nakita namin dito are their beds. Also, yung mga upgrades din dito or mga modification that they did is yun nga, mga look and feel. So, mga paintings. So, let's go to the room number 2. There you go. Obviously, guys, nandito tayo sa kanilang pool area. And then dito rin, nandun yung ating, what do you call it? Parang outdoor pantry or kitchen. Para din siyang gazebo. Ganyan, no? So, it's a multi-purpose place. Ito nga, ito yung pool natin dito. Size niya for me is like small to medium. And then, sa likuran natin, a room niya actually meron pang mga ibang additional chairs and tables that you can use. So, dito sa labas, guys, you can play your beer pong or itong, what do they call it? Cornhole. Ayan, guys. Cornhole. Mamaya maglaro tayo nito. See?